Hey everyone, today in this video I'm gonna tell you about a special option called comments. So how to add a comment in any of the cell. For example, here we are present in this worksheet that is sheet number 2. Now if I just select any of the cell and if I right click on it, then here we have an option called insert comment. If I just click here I'll be getting some kind of comment. So here I can add any of the comments. For example, hi, how are you? So I want to add this. So this is my comment. And if I just click outside of it, then automatically it will be saved now. Now, if you want to edit the comment, then here you can just simply edit itself, here itself. Okay, just select the comment and automatically I mean, the cursor starts blinking, so you can easily edit it. And here also, for example, here, if you just go here in this review tab, here you have an option called show all the comments. If it is unclicked here, then you won't have the option of uh, getting the comments here. I mean, you if you create any comment that won't be visible to you. See here, it has been hidden here. Only if you just hover over to this red color arrow, then only it will be visible. If you just click here, then it will be activated. Okay, so you need to you always need to click this. You always need to highlight this, then only your comments would be visible for everyone. And if you also want to delete a comment, then just select this. Okay, select this and right click on it and just select this, delete. Automatically the comment would be deleted. Okay, and also you have an option of uh, adding a comment. For example, you don't need to you don't need every time, you don't need to add a comment by right clicking here. Okay, you can also directly go to this review tab and here you have an option called new comment, or also we have an shortcut called shift plus F2. Right now I'm going to show you by clicking on this particular option. See here, I have got a new option. Okay, and I also want to create a new comment again. So how to do that? Shift plus F2, shift plus F2. If I click here by using the shortcut, also I'll get an option of new comment. Okay, so likewise you can add a new comment, you can edit it by clicking here, and you can also delete it by just clicking here and press the delete option in your keyboard. Likewise, you can always play with the comments option. And also here, if you just tap here, you'll have an option called share. Uh, so I think it doesn't have an option related to comments. Uh, so maybe we need to add that. I think in the older versions, earlier we have an option of comments here, but in this version it doesn't have any option. So anyways, you can always add a new comment here using either using a shortcut or directly by tapping on this option, or you can always add a new comment by right clicking here and selecting this insert comment option.